was an unsuccessful attempt. Это была неудачная попытка. It was an unsuccessful attempt. Okay, success. It was a great success. Successful. The project became very successful. Unsuccessful. It was an unsuccessful attempt. Okay, next. Dance. Dance. Танцевать. Dance. Would you like to dance with me? Would you like? Would you like to dance? Would you like to dance with me? Хотел бы потанцевать со мной. Would you like to dance with me? Cook. Cook переводится как готовить. I can cook really well. I can cook really well. Я могу готовить действительно хорошо. I can cook really well. Это переводится как повар. Next, tutor. Tutor. He is my English tutor. Tutor переводится как репетитор. He is my English tutor. He helped me learn English. Он помог мне выучить английский язык. Он мой репетитор английского, он помог мне выучить английский язык. He helped me learn English. Обратите внимание, что мы говорим he helped me to learn, или также носители языка говорят без to. He helped me learn English. Okay, so dance. Would you like to dance with me? Cook. I can cook really well. Tutor. He's my English tutor. He helped me learn English. Next. Bird. Птица. Bird. Посмотри на эту птицу. Look at these birds. Look at this bird. Look at this bird. Zoo. Зоопарк. Have you ever been to the zoo abroad? Have you ever been? Have you ever been? Такая конструкция, как ты когда-либо был. Have you ever been to the zoo abroad? Когда был в зоопарке за границей. Have you ever been to the zoo abroad? Обратите внимание, что have you ever been и на предлог to. Have you ever been to the zoo abroad? Next. The next word is 651.